Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to Help Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you apps that will pay you $130 in free PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And as soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to the first app and show you how to get this money. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first app. The name of this app is Declutter. Now I'm going to go pretty fast because I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm going to go pretty fast through these apps. So let's go ahead and look at the screenshots here. So this app has been seen on Yahoo Finance, CNN, Today, CNET, and NBNC. Now what you're going to be doing, guys, is selling things on this app. So the type of things you're going to be selling is CDs, DVDs, games, books, and a lot of other different things, which I'll tell you later. So all you're going to do is scan your items and start making this money. And check this out, guys. Sell fast. So you're going to get paid the next day as soon as you sell an item. Now, you're also going to get 30% more than carriers. And here's the other things you can sell on here. Phones, consoles, MacBooks, tablets, wearables, and other accessories. And also they have exclusive app offers. So make extra cash with exclusive offers. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So you can check out this app on Trustpilot. They have more than 15,000 reviews. They have paid out hundreds of millions of dollars to happy customers. And they've been endorsed by CNET, Tech Radar, and Good Morning America. Now, why should you sell on here? You're going to get instant valuation for your old tech, fast next day payments, free shipping, no auction. Let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.4. All right, that's all I'm going to say about this app. I think this is a good app you need to check out. So if you're ready to make some money selling your tech, go ahead and go to Declutter on the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app. Name of this app is Rewards Apps Pays for PayPal. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit about it. So Earn Gift Cards Rewards is a free Android app that allows you to get money directly into your PayPal account. Reward app pays you PayPal cash in a simple money-making scheme in which you may win prizes every day just by participating. Now you can start earning easy cash now. So you're going to receive your money right in your PayPal account. And you can earn money every day by using free current rewards app on your phone. You can receive cash rewards for purchasing and saving money. You can obtain money bonuses. Make money by participating in current surveys and giving your opinions. Now let's just look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.6. Very, very good app, guys. One of the best apps out here. It's not that many apps that has a 4.6 rating. Now let's just look at one review here. So this person right here, a Google user, says this app is simply amazing. They roughly made $21 and 9 more coming. So this person is getting paid from this app, guys. So if you're ready to go ahead and make money on this app, go ahead and go to Rewards app, pays for PayPal. And this is in the Google Play Store also. Now let me go to the last app. Okay guys, I'm at this website. Name of this website is MyPick. And they do also have an app. So on this website, what you're going to do when you come here, you're going to click where it says sale. And it's going to take you to this page right here. So take control of your brand, bring your picks to life and earn money for free. Our platform empowers you with print-on-demand product manufacturing using the world's best printing technology. So guys, what they're saying is, if you have any type of art or any type of nice pick, you can upload it here and make money from it, because they're going to put it on a design. So let's scroll down here and see how it works. So you're going to upload your art. So take your likes to the next level. Just upload and tag your art. We check the resolution and only show the products your image will look great on to retain the best print quality. And then number 2, bring your art to life. Sell your art as premium lifestyle products handmade by our specialists. And as you can see here, this is how the print going to look on some of the products. And they have all different type of products. They got clothing, paintings, pillows. They have all different type of items that your art is going to be on. So number 3, become the designer. So sell products from a simple upload. People around the world can now own your picks as custom art and fashion. And check this out, guys. Earn up to 20% commission on every single sale. And number 4, get paid. So once your item is sold, you're going to get paid via PayPal. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. So go ahead and go to mypick.co, sign up, upload your art or pick, and start making this money. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, that's it. I really appreciate you guys checking this video out. Please keep checking out all my videos. help this channel to grow to 8,000 subscribers. All right, that's it. One more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.